Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where innovation meets adrenaline, and where we break down the future of tech for creators, gamers, and power users alike. Today, we're diving deep into a beast that's not just turning heads but redefining what a gaming laptop can be in 2025. It's none other than the Acer Predator Helios Neo. This is Ace SEIA powerhouse packed with cutting-edge specs, futuristic AI features, and a performance profile that's out to crush every limit. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a 3D creator, or someone looking for a laptop that can do it all, this one demands your attention. At first glance, the 2025 Helios Neo 16S screams performance. Its design still holds on to the aggressive Predator aesthetics, but with refined edges, a sharper chassis, and that glowing Predator logo that pulses with blue RGB energy. It's unmistakably a gaming rig, but not in a way that feels outdated or bulky. The new chassis is slimmer, more angular, and utilizes a high-strength magnesium alloy frame, keeping things durable while cutting down on weight. The display is a centerpiece in itself. Acer has pushed the envelope by offering a 16-inch mini LED display, running at a stunning 2560 by 1600 resolution with a 240 Hz refresh rate. You're looking at peak HDR support, dazzling contrast, and up to 1000 nits of brightness. Whether you're deep into a dark boss battle or editing footage in Adobe Premiere, this screen doesn't just display, it immerses. The 16:10 aspect ratio also gives a bit more room vertically, perfect for productivity without compromising on the gaming real estate. Under the hood, the Helios Neo 16S is driven by Intel's 15th Gen Core i9HX series processor, combined with NVIDIA Acer RTX 5090 laptop GPU. This combo absolutely flies. We're talking real-time ray tracing, DLSS 4.0 support, AI frame generation, and beastly multitasking abilities. This laptop doesn't stutter, it surges. And yes, it supports full Gen 5 PCIe SSDs, meaning loading times are almost non-existent. Add up to 64 GB of DDR5X RAM, and this machine transforms into a mobile workstation with the heart of a gaming monster. Let's talk about AI. Acer is leveraging on-device AI in ways that go beyond gimmicks. With the built-in Copilot AI engine, you get real-time system optimization depending on the workload. Gaming, editing, browsing, it learns and adapts. There's an AI-driven thermal mapping system, which works with custom Aeroblade 5th Gen fans and liquid metal cooling on both CPU and GPU. This allows performance to be sustained longer with lower fan noise, and it's noticeable. During extended gaming sessions, the laptop stays cooler and quieter than expected, even under pressure. The keyboard is another high point. Featuring MagKey 3.0 switches, Acer provides ultra-responsive mechanical feel in a laptop form. RGB lighting is fully customizable per key, with support for dynamic lighting tied into game events. WASD keys now feature dual force sensors, allowing nuanced movement in supported titles, a feature competitive players will appreciate. The trackpad is precise and roomy, made of Gorilla Glass for a premium touch. Audio on the Helios Neo 16S comes with DTS-X Ultra and spatial sound optimization. The dual-speaker setup has been tuned to provide directional audio for gaming and a cinematic punch for movies. Combine this with the immersive screen and you've got a portable theater that doubles as a performance tank. Now let's get into usage. Gaming on this machine is nothing short of bliss. Titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, and Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 run at max settings with frame rates that make 144 Hz look old, thanks to DLSS 4.0 and AI-assisted performance optimization. Even the most demanding games hold 120 FPS in 1600p with ray tracing enabled. Thermals remain impressively stable, with average temps around 75 degrees Celsius under full load and no noticeable performance throttling. Content creators will find this machine a powerhouse for editing, rendering, and real-time color grading. Adobe apps, Blender, Unreal Engine, and DaVinci Resolve run incredibly smooth, largely due to the hardware acceleration supported by both the Intel CPU and RTX 5090. Exports that once took minutes now take seconds. The AI optimization helps here too, shifting power dynamically between CPU and GPU to maintain balance and speed. Battery life is surprisingly good for a machine of this magnitude. The 99.9 watt-hours battery, paired with intelligent AI power scaling, gives around 7 to 8 hours of mixed-use browsing, video streaming, office tasks, and 3 to 4 hours of heavy creative work. Gaming, of course, should still be done plugged in, but it's impressive how efficient the system can be when it wants to. Port selection is generous, dual Thunderbolt 5 ports, full-sized HDMI 2.1 to USB A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, a full SD card reader, Ethernet, and a combo audio jack. There's also support for Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring lightning-fast wireless connectivity and next-gen stability for peripherals. Now let's touch on software. Acer includes the Predator Sense 5.0 software suite, completely revamped for 2025. It's smoother, less bloated, and offers granular control over everything: fan curves, CPU and GPU tuning, lighting profiles, AI optimization toggles, and performance presets. There's also a quick access overlay HUD that pops up in-game, similar to Xbox Game Bar, offering FPS monitoring, temps, and system status without tabbing out. One of the more futuristic features is Predator Vision, Acer's own vision enhancement system that uses AI to enhance on-screen visuals for gamers with color blindness or contrast issues. It's a thoughtful touch that makes gaming more accessible. Security hasn't been left behind either. You've got a fingerprint scanner built into the power button, support for Windows Hello facial recognition, and a physical privacy shutter for the 1080p webcam. For streamers, the webcam has AI-based auto-framing and lighting correction, delivering a crisp feed even in low light. Build quality feels solid. The chassis doesn't flex, the hinge feels sturdy and smooth, and the overall fit and finish screams premium. Acer clearly knows who they're building this for: gamers, streamers, engineers, designers, anyone who needs high performance without compromise. Price-wise, the Helios Neo 16 SAI doesn't come cheap, starting at around $2,799 for the base model and pushing $3,499 for the fully loaded version. It's priced in the premium tier, but considering what's inside and how it performs, it justifies that cost. You're paying for specs, future-proof AI integration, and top-tier thermal design. In conclusion, the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 SAI is a monster in every sense. It's not just a gaming laptop, it's a futuristic workstation, an AI learning hub, a content creation machine, and a creative powerhouse rolled into one aggressive, RGB-lit body. Whether you're storming battlefields, building 3D models, streaming in 4K, or juggling massive projects, this machine doesn't just keep up, it leads the charge, with AI integration setting a new benchmark, and power that rivals desktops. The Helios Neo 16 SAI doesn't just predict the future, it defines it. That wraps up our deep dive into the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 SAI. If you're looking for raw power, refined design, and next-gen tech in one sleek package, this laptop is absolutely worth a look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. What excites you most about this beast? Until next time, stay curious, stay powerful, and keep riding the tech vibe.